If your Pixel phone is not reading QR codes properly, there's usually a couple of easy things you can do to fix it. First of all, if you're using the standard camera to scan the code, make sure you're in the photo mode, using the standard photo option. If you have your camera set to video mode or something like portrait mode, the camera usually won't scan QR codes. If you're in photo mode and it still doesn't scan the code, tap the little gear icon on the bottom to go to your camera settings. Then tap the three dots to view more settings and look for the toggle that says Camera Scan Suggestions. This is essentially a toggle that enables and disables scanning QR codes altogether, so it must be turned on for the codes to work. You'll see how, once I toggle it on, my phone will instantly recognize the QR code and scan it. If that still didn't work, sometimes clearing the cache for your camera app will fix issues. Go to Settings, and from there scroll down to Apps. Then tap See All Apps, and scroll down the list until you see the camera app. Then tap Storage and Cache, and from there you'll tap Clear Cache. This sort of resets the app without deleting any important photos or files, and sometimes clearing the cache can resolve temporary glitches. Then I'll tell my phone to force stop the app, which basically forces the app to be closed, and it'll fully reset and open fresh next time I use the camera app. If you're having issues scanning codes with the regular camera, you can also use the dedicated QR code scanner. You'll access it through the quick settings, swipe down twice from the top right corner, and look for the QR scanner button. If you don't have it, like I didn't, you can tap the pencil icon and add it to your quick settings. Just scroll down to Utilities and look for the QR code scanner button. Now that I've added it to my quick settings, I can open it through here, and it'll open this camera-looking app that's designed to scan QR codes. This will recognize the code and allows me to open the link in Chrome, copy the text, or share this directly from here. And just to give you one more option, you can scan QR codes by using Google Lens. Tap the little camera icon on the bottom of your screen, and Google Lens opens. You can use this to point your camera at anything, and your phone will tell you what you're looking at, but it also works with QR codes. And there you have it. One of those should help you scan codes again. Click that like button if this helped, share with a friend who struggles with QR codes, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.